is made for eminent achievement and meritorious service to supporters who are committee, office bearers and fellowship members since their last award. That's a mouthful. Stephen Chu, Corporate Services Manager, Victorian Branch. Stephen was the architect of the extranet database implemented in 2004 that is a key management tool of Scouts Victoria. It's available online to group leaders and all district, region and branch teams. If you've got a problem with extranet, see Stephen at Morning Tea. He has overseen its continued development as the premier Scout business and membership system in Australia. He also initiated and manages the Monster Raffle, which has produced fundraising of over $500,000 to groups around the state in each of the last 6 years. He has demonstrated eminent achievement and meritorious service since his last award and a part of his 30+ years service to Scouting. Stephen Chu.